Tax deadline is on the air September 15. I just want to remind you that on September 15, the tax deadline is for the people that have S corporation that file an extension last March 15, and for those partnership, your tax deadline will be this coming September 15. On the other hand, for the people that file an extension for their 1040, the personal return, the deadline will be October 17, together with the C-Corp companies. Why October 17? Because whenever the October 15 falls on the weekend, and fortunately, the October 15 falls on Saturday, your deadline for tax filing will not be until October 17. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. On the other news, the daily recap, the IRS increases the mileage rate for the remainder. Let me see. For the remainder of 2022. This is publication has been released as of June 9, 2022. The Internal Revenue Service today announced an increase in the optional standard mileage rate for the final 6 months of 2022. Taxpayers may use the optional standard mileage rate to calculate the deductible cost of operating an automobile for business and certain purposes. The IRS is adjusting the standard mileage rates to better reflect for the recent increases in fuel prices. From the business, it's 58.5 cents, but from July 1 to December 31, it's going to be 62.5 cents for the business travel. For medical and moving, before from January to June 30, it was 18 cents, but now they increase it at 22 cents from July 1 to December 31. However, charitable activity remained the same at 14 cents per mile. Okay. Now, on the other hand, this morning we were able to get through the a company, the loan service company. So before he started this company by himself, this client has would like to put up a partner, which is his brother, 50-50 ownership. Now, what would be the tax implication? So number one, the one that they need to set up is a limited liability company partnership. 50-50, when you are filing your taxes for next year, just be reminded that you need to file a partnership return. Not just your personal return, but also your business partnership return. You call that Form 1065. But before you even file your tax return for the LLC, you need to open your business bank account. For you to open a business bank account, there are three major documents that the bank will ask you. Number one is your LLC certificate. Number two is the articles of organization, which defines who are the members, the address, and the business name. And number three, they also going to ask for the EIN, or employer's identification number. Then after that, after this morning on the afternoon, we had the meeting with a nurse that owns a home health company, and we asked him why he become a C corp, and then he said a C corp because he ended up paying 18,000 of taxes, and he asked us, is C corp necessary for his company? And for the tax purposes, we explained that he can start as a limited liability company, then he can elect himself as an S corp to be on the payroll. Why is C corp not necessary? Because C corp, it is the thing of the on the past. Especially if you're a startup company, you can start as a limited liability company, then you can be a corporation like an S corp eventually. The problem with the C corp is, number one, is subject to double taxation. It's very unnecessary. Number two, there are more paperworks. Compare with an LLC, you can always become an S corporation. A lot of less paperwork, cheaper. You're not subject to double taxation. Compare with the C corp, there are so many. It's too far advanced. It's like you just want to have a business, and then doing all the paperwork is getting away from your whole deal to start your business and operate the business. There's so much things to do when you're running a business. How much more if you make your tax filing more complicated? That's why we would like to let you know that we're providing a 30-minute consultations, and also by August, on August 23, 6:30 p.m., we have a business mixers. Business Mixers on August 23. Please, if you have not registered, please register. ASAP, RSVP in Dallas, Texas. This is the soft launching of YCO Tax together with the networking event. For those of you who would like to grow your business and find partners and even capital or funding resources, we have bankers and lenders that are going to be there. Who knows, you might even find your strategic partner to expand and multiply your business through complementary services with the other company. Again, guys, I'm Chris, Coco. If you like this content, please click share and subscribe for more for more business life and tax saving tips. I'm the CEO and founder of the virtual tax and bookkeeping company here in the US. Stay safe.